Not many chefs can say they've cooked for the President of the United States, but how many can say they've cooked for four of them? Well, Army veteran Chef Andre Rush can, turning a passion for food into a mission to serve, unite, and inspire.
I tell people food is life, is love, is energy, it's holistic, it's medication. It is so many things more that they think it is. It's not about the Michelin stars or the 5 stars or the clicks and this. It's about what's in here. And when I eat food and taste food, I want to taste my mother. I want to have a memory about it. I want people to say, wow, that was powerful. Also delicious, but powerful. So what was it like working in the White House? Amazing. What could you say about going to the most powerful place in the world? You know, being around the most powerful people in the world and just having that energy and being honored to be able to bless people and see people and do things that you would never in a million years would do or talk about or see. And just being a part of a team that is unlike any other team in the world. What did the presidents I served under like to eat? Anything I gave them. All my food's delicious. And honestly, to each his own, because you got to think about being the president, eating all over the world. Everybody's trying to impress you. Some are older, some are not as active or try to be, and everything is unhealthy. So in retrospect, some of them were just really normal, regular people who just wanted a sandwich or a burger or a burrito or a bowl and just be simple and live life like they're normal for a change. I think it was with one of the Christmas party when I was doing some mac and cheese, and it was full of cheese, like 5 or 6 or 7 different cheeses, and it was cheesy. And one of the presidents ate it. He was like, okay, I want more of that. Give me more, give me more, give me more. I tell people all the time, I was born this way. No, I'm joking. I wish I was. But in retrospect, is that I have to be this way. Exercise is imperative and just as much as my food. I say food is 9% of it, exercise at 10% of it. They say you are what you eat. When you eat it, now you have to exert that into energy that's gonna be true and natural to you because you still gotta think about what's here. I have hard times, I cry, I laugh, I joke, I have a lot of funny things, I do a lot of things, I target kids for my content, I talk about suicide awareness and mental health, I talk about the tough subjects, I also talk about the funny subject, and I try to intertwine them and let you know how life is. I want people to reflect not only themselves, but stop being selfish, ungrateful. Have compassion to each and every person that's out there. Look at yourself and say, hey, what do you want to do and what do you want to leave behind? I can honestly say right now, if I'm not here tomorrow, I am content on what I left behind.